Hey there, gardening enthusiasts. If you're looking for the perfect tool to help you spread compost and peat moss in your garden, then look no further. Our compost spreader peat moss spreader is the ideal lawn helper you've been searching for. With a 24-wide steel basket, this spreader is designed to make your gardening tasks more efficient and less labor-intensive. The powder-coated steel construction ensures durability and resistance to rust and corrosion, giving you a tool that will last for years to come. But that's not all. Our peat moss spreader also features upgraded side latches that keep the basket closed during tipping and tumbling operations. This means you can work with peace of mind, knowing that your compost and peat moss will be spread neatly and evenly. And the best part? The handle pole of our compost spreader is adjustable to 2 different heights, making it comfortable to use for people of all sizes. No more feeling restricted with our spreader, you're in control. Whether you're working on a flat surface or a sloped area, our peat moss spreader will run smoothly and efficiently, allowing you to spread top dressings like compost, manure, dirt, and peat moss with ease. Say goodbye to wobbly and uneven spreading. Our spreader will give you a healthier and lusher lawn or garden in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your gardening routine with our compost spreader peat moss spreader and watch your plants thrive like never before. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing tool today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your gardening to the next level. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more amazing gardening tools and tips.